Okay, good morning to everyone. This is JP Sarmiento of the Sarmiento Immigration Law Firm for our success story posting for May 25, 2020. It's a J1 no objection statement waiver approval for a Filipina client in Sacramento, California. So, our client came from the Philippines on a J1 visa on August 2017 to work as a teacher. Based on her DS 2019 and visa, she is subject to the 2 year foreign residency requirement, meaning you have to go home for 2 years to be eligible for an immigrant visa or certain type of visas, H1B for example, or you have to apply for and get a waiver application approved so that you don't have to go home for 2 years. Um, the no objection statement requirements differ per country. This client is a Filipino, and for Filipinos, a couple of ways to get a no objection statement waiver. A couple of eligibilities are one, having a U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse, and two, having a permanent resident or U.S. citizen son or daughter. Our client here has a U.S. citizen spouse. They got married in July 2019. Another requirement is that two-thirds of your program must have been finished. So, two-thirds have gone by already since her program started, and she's married to a U.S. citizen. So, she so she was eligible. And on October 16, 2019, we filed DS 3035 to the Department of State together with its supporting documents. And then on November 26, 2019, of course, before that, we prepared the entire packet to the Philippines, which is quite extensive, requiring notarization of documents, having it apostilled by the Secretary of State, having an original Senomar, having an original clearance letter, among others. So this was submitted on November 26, 2019 to the EVP, Exchange Visitor Program Waiver Review Committee in the Philippines. And this was eventually approved, and they forwarded a no objection statement to the Philippine Embassy in Washington, D.C., who is the entity who would officially issue the no objection statement to the Department of State. So on May 5, 2020, the Waiver Review Division of the Department of State issued a favorable recommendation based on the no objection statement. And based on that, you can already apply for a green card since they updated the form to allow it simply based on the Department of State waiver recommendation. In fact, one of the yes no questions there pertain to that. But eventually, within 2 weeks, on May 18, the USCIS issued the I-612 approval notice anyway. And so, our client eventually also hired us for the green card, and we were able to file it together with the approved waiver application. So, if you have any questions pertaining to something similar or anything immigration related, our consultations are free. This is JP Sarmiento of the Sarmiento Immigration Law Firm. Phone number is 216-573-3712. You can also email us at jp@sarmientoimmigration.com. Thank you.